молодець, молодець, Шурик. Давай. Молодець, давай. Молодець.
Hey guys, we're here in Pet Step Up Rehabilitation Center for Wounded Animals on the outskirts of Kyiv, and we delivered some surgical instruments for them collected by Animal Rescue Ukraine in the Netherlands, and they're very happy for that. They really need it, especially these things they were happy for. I'm not really sure what it is, but they're happy for it. And they treat animals here that are wounded. Many of them have spine problems. And this little cutie. So most of the animals here, they were saved by volunteers, and then the volunteers collect money to treat the animals for their rehabilitation. And here we have an ultrasound machine that Jonathan brought to them last year, I think in December. And it's plugged in, and that's good because they use it. They say they use it 3 times a week. The doctor come here and make the scanning. And 7 people work here full time. And this is also where Paolo from Australia volunteered for around a month. Step Up is the name of the clinic. And it's a really amazing place. Like, they do very amazing work here. As you can see, it's quite big. And most of the animals here were rescued from frontline areas. And here they have a little place also. With lots of dogs being treated. Many of them have spinal problems. And this is Sophie. And she's from Bakhmut. Yeah. Let me see, there you go. And when she came here, she was not able to walk. And she's blind on one eye, she lost one eye. And now she walks and jumps and runs. But it took 2 months to rehabilitate her. So, as you can see, it's very, very heavy work. And expensive. And yeah, it's really sad that this is necessary, but it is. So big shout out to Pet Step Up Rehabilitation Center, and thank you to Animal Rescue Ukraine Netherlands for collecting the things, and thank you to Salen van Vrijheid for transporting the things. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but I did my best. It's an organization from Holland. They donate ambulances to Ukraine, and then when they have free capacity, they transport stuff for us to Kyiv. So that's it, guys. Oh, let's just take a little cutie. Hi. Yeah. He also has a spine problem, but he's very active and very charming. All right, guys. Thank you to everybody who donated. Have a nice day.
They have rehabilitation every day.
Very sweet. Very sweet you.
She is afraid
Uh-huh.
of new people.
But she can walk now.
Yes,
Yeah.
she can walk. She
After
can.
rehabilitation.
Before cannot walk at all.
No.
Wow. Hi. Come here. Nice.
She's name is Sophie.
Sophie.
Sophie, yes.
2 months of rehabilitation.
2 months of rehabilitation. And now she can walk.
О, привет.
Так, а я тебя о чем?
А что случилось сегодня? Чего это?
Браво! Молодець.